What's up, guys? So today is Elle's birthday. If you don't know who Elle is, she is my cousin and I've been filming with her for years already. So it's now her 10th birthday and she's gonna be in double digits. So let's look for her. Turns out I couldn't find her, so I'm gonna make something for her first. Guys, I made my own paper bag, but I don't know if it's nice. Good. I'm gonna write a message to her. Let's do it. First this one. Hi, girl. Say, happy birthday, Colin Tiger from Glenn Glad to the Cam and Diane. So, gonna be good. I'm gonna go good. Let's do it. Bye. Happy birthday. Ngayon tulog. Sana ba?
Happy birthday, for Squad TV from and Zion.
Yeah. Hala na sa amon. Sige.
Oh, wow. Lapit ka. Thank you.
Thank you. Pagkalibig pa sa karon, muna kalik namon mo. Hey, hi guys.
Ayun lang, nakabit gano'n.
Lago ka. Saan ka? Chay ka lang. Ay na, magbayo iba. Hi to the vlog. Hello.
Pwede? Saka na kami.
Nay?
Del, dito ka na kayo.
Wow, Jollibee. Okay.
Iya sila yan?
Yeah, yeah.
LL.
Gusto ka. Gusto ka kay Jollibee.
Tapos na kami guys kumain.
Okay, go. Let's go. Hi. Ada kita yang pakai. Uy, ulit. Nagkukilaw. Okay, masaka.
Pero nakasipak yung duwa. Sa Ball 27 kami din. Sa lab. Sa kalab ng class.
Wow! Picture ka, de. Picture ka. El, tulok, tulok. Go, let's go, let's go. Kiko, ah. Coming yan. Wow! Hi girl, enjoy ka na, gagagagag ka na. Duwa na ka ng bay, yung imo nga igag. Magbibig mo ka niya, ka na.
Si Ryan, ang gawas Ryan.
Yeah! Yeah! Na na na!
Si Ryan, kaya mo. Nasaan ako?
Iya aku guys. Lalu kayak guys, nakulit na kami. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.